Samsung is preparing to launch the Galaxy S25 Edge, and its ultra-thin design is already generating buzz. However, while the sleek look may be appealing, there's one aspect that could be a major drawback for many users: the battery size. Recent certification listings have confirmed that this model will feature a smaller battery than the standard Galaxy S25, which could be disappointing for those who prioritize long battery life. According to certification databases like UL-Demco and BIS, the Galaxy S25 Edge will come with a 3,900 mAh battery, with a rated capacity of 3,786 mAh, while Samsung is expected to promote it as 3,900 mAh. The fact remains that it's smaller than the 4,000 mAh battery expected in the regular Galaxy S25. Earlier reports suggested that Samsung was struggling to fit a larger battery into the Edge model due to its ultra-slim frame. And these certifications now confirm that concern. For a device that is likely to be marketed as a high-end option, having a smaller battery than its sibling might not sit well with consumers. Many users expect premium models to deliver better overall performance, and battery life plays a crucial role in that experience. While Samsung might rely on software optimizations and power-efficient hardware to compensate for the reduced battery size, the reality is that a physically smaller battery means less total capacity. This isn't the first time Samsung has made design choices that led to compromises. Over the years, the company has removed features like the headphone jack and microSD card slot, and in some cases, reduced battery capacities to achieve a more refined design. While some of these decisions were eventually accepted, battery life remains a critical factor for many users. A slim and lightweight phone may look great, but if it requires frequent charging, it could be a deal breaker for some buyers. Another thing to consider is that the Galaxy S25 Edge didn't launch alongside the other Galaxy S25 models. Instead, Samsung is expected to introduce it separately, possibly in May. While this delay might suggest that the company is fine-tuning certain aspects of the device, the battery certification indicates that the hardware is already finalized. This makes it highly unlikely that there will be any last-minute changes to the battery size. Pricing is another factor that could influence how well the Galaxy S25 Edge is received. Reports suggest that the 256GB model may be priced at around $1,000, while the 512GB version could go up to $1,100. Considering that the standard S25 is expected to have a larger battery, some consumers might question whether the Edge model is worth the extra cost, especially if battery life is a key concern. The Galaxy S25 Edge undoubtedly offers a premium, ultra-slim design, but at the cost of battery life. The big question is whether that trade-off will be acceptable to consumers. If you prefer a lightweight phone and don't mind charging it more frequently, this could still be an attractive option. However, for users who need a device that lasts longer on a single charge, the reduced battery capacity might be a significant drawback. What do you think about this decision? Would you choose a thinner phone over a longer battery life? Or do you think Samsung should have focused more on endurance? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news.
What if your next smartphone could completely transform how you experience the internet? Faster downloads, smoother streaming, and lag-free gaming, all thanks to groundbreaking 5G technology. That's exactly what Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 series might bring to the table. While the Galaxy S25 is still making waves, the rumors about its successor are already heating up, and today, we're diving into what could make the Galaxy S26 a game-changer. Let's break it down. The Galaxy S26 is expected to pack some serious power under the hood, and a lot of that hype revolves around its processor and modem. Word on the street is that Samsung might team up with Qualcomm again, using their next-gen chip, likely called the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This processor is rumored to come with the Qualcomm X85 modem, a piece of tech that could take 5G speeds to a whole new level. Compared to the X80 modem in the Galaxy S25, the X85 is said to deliver download speeds of up to 12.5 Gbps and upload speeds of 3.7 Gbps. That's a 25% jump in download speeds and a 5.8% boost in upload speeds. Think about what that means for you: faster downloads, smoother streaming, and gaming without interruptions. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. The S85 modem isn't just about speed, it's also about intelligence. Qualcomm's new modem comes with an AI-powered data traffic engine, a feature designed to make your online experiences smarter and more efficient. This AI engine can prioritize data traffic dynamically, which means it can give your gaming sessions top priority even on a crowded network. No more lag spikes in the middle of an intense match. It also promises clearer voice and video calls, along with seamless switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Whether you're scrolling through social media, working on the go, or video calling a friend, the Galaxy S26 could make everything feel faster and more reliable. Now, here's where things get interesting. While Qualcomm's Snapdragon chip is a strong contender, Samsung might also use its own Exynos 2600 processor in some regions. If that happens, the Galaxy S26 could feature the Exynos modem 5400, which boasts even higher download speeds of up to 14.79 Gbps. This dual-chip strategy means Samsung could tailor the device to different markets while still delivering top-tier 5G performance. Whether it's Qualcomm or Exynos, one thing's clear: Samsung is aiming to set a new standard for smartphone connectivity. So, what does all this mean for you? If you're someone who relies on fast internet for work, gaming, or streaming, the Galaxy S26 could be a game-changer. Faster 5G speeds and AI-powered features could make your smartphone experience smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. But it's not just about speed, it's about how that speed enhances your daily life. Imagine downloading a high-definition movie in seconds, streaming your favorite show without buffering, or playing an online game with zero lag. These are the kinds of experiences the Galaxy S26 could deliver. And let's not forget the bigger picture. Faster 5G speeds don't just benefit individual users, they have the potential to transform entire industries. From real-time video calls that feel like face-to-face conversations to smart home devices that respond instantly, the possibilities are endless. The Galaxy S26 could be at the forefront of this revolution, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Are you excited about the potential for faster 5G speeds and AI-powered features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. The race to create the thinnest smartphone is getting more intense, and Apple might be planning to take the lead with its rumored iPhone 17 Air. Recent leaks suggest that this upcoming device could set a new benchmark in ultra-thin smartphone design, following Tecno's recent reveal of its Spark Slim, which initially claimed the title of the world's slimmest phone. However, if the leaks are accurate, Apple's latest device could be even slimmer. A leaked dummy model suggests that the iPhone 17 Air could be just 5.44 millimeters thick. To put that into perspective, Tecno's Spark Slim measures 5.75 millimeters, and Samsung's rumored Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be around 5.84 millimeters. If these numbers hold true, Apple might take the crown for having the thinnest smartphone ever. However, while the phone itself may be extremely slim, the camera bump is expected to be slightly larger, which could add some depth to the device. With such a thin design, some trade-offs are inevitable. One of the biggest concerns is battery life. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to have a 3,000 mAh battery, which is significantly smaller compared to the batteries found in Apple's Pro